Hi guys, Dawson Bird here on Thunderbird. Today I am here in Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and, I'm gonna be, and more specifically, I'm gonna be riding the LR&NA Railway train, the Eureka Springs and Northern Arkansas Railway. And just so you guys know, it took me an absolute 3.5 I'm sorry, but you know, it took us about 3.5 hours to get here. It took us 3.5 hours to get here to Arkansas. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I want you guys to go ahead and do me a favor and bring me 1 million subscribers. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If not, hit the thumbs down. And if you guys want to do it anyways, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe anyways, even if you don't like the video. It's just a favor. I mean, literally, it's just a small favor. Hey Mom, are you excited for the train?
Yep.
Sis? Smile for the camera, Mom. You're on. I love you, Mom. There sure are a whole ton of people here. And just so you guys know, this one and only coach is being pulled by a small orange switcher. Yep. That locomotive right there is the switcher. It's an 040T standard gauge locomotive. So yeah, that's that. So today's date is Friday, the 23rd of July, 2021. 21st of 20.
Rooms at our destination today, Junction, Arkansas. The only thing we have down there is trees. We really don't want you killing our trees. So please, use the restroom here if you need to. The seats in this car are the way we got them in the early 1980s. They have a brown upholstery on them, but underneath all that brown upholstery is the original rattan upholstery with horsehair padding. So you can tell your friends you went to Junction, Arkansas by train or horseback. There in the back in the red shirt is our brakeman. His name is Jameson. He will be our eyes as we go down the tracks towards Junction, Arkansas. He has a set of brakes. He can stop us safely if he needs to. Say maybe a limb came down across the tracks over the night. So we're in good hands. We're going to be safe. My name is Greg. I'm your conductor. And again, welcome to the Eureka Springs, North Arkansas Railway. Can you help me?
Yes.
You know what they say when they're getting ready to get on board a train? Can you say it real loud?
All aboard.
Like he said, all aboard. So train now boarding for Junction, Arkansas.
All aboard!
I will take your tickets on the way back. Please make sure you have your yellow boarding pass. That is what I need. Thank you.
All right, guys. So we are right now inside the coach. I mean, yeah.
Okay, ready.
Now you go.
love you, Mom. Well, I don't love y'all for nothing.
Let's go to this one. Can everybody hear me okay? If at any time you can't hear me, please let me know. A couple weeks ago, the sound system went down, and I didn't realize it. I think it was the ghost turning my microphone down on me.
You want to sit over there so you can be closer to Dad and Allie?
Huh?
You want to sit over there so we can be closer to Dad and Allie?
I guess so. Yes, ma'am, I think so. We shall. Amen.
River Springs is just
You
up
want
the hill.
the window side?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, this section is the only place we use that spring water. Please don't drink that water. That's that bowl gets on in. Whenever the bowl gets low,
Oh,
you
it's slow.
and refill it. But the water used to be